I've mounted the first rail system for my solar panels here on the roof. It's just a temporary mount. I just want to check out the length actually. That's how far we could go. And then we can have another 1.6 meters and still have a gap there to the other solar panels and a gap in between here so we can walk. I don't know, this would mean there are 200 millimeters off the roof. I don't know if this is good or bad. It's good in summertime. Yeah, the heat can just escape. But then when we have high winds, it's bad. And I don't really trust these angles here, these brackets. You know, they are not made for a tin roof. I can adjust the height a little bit with this screw here so I can move the whole rail up and down. See, there's a long slot in here. So I can move this one a little bit further down. But I'm not 100% sure if I should use these brackets here. They are for concrete tile roofs. So the concrete tile one is underneath and the other one is on top of it. Yeah, I don't trust. See, on this end it would look like this. I mean, once the solar panels are on top of it here and they're all screwed down, this is all one unit. You know, it stabilizes itself. I've got another rail somewhere here, and then we've got the solar panel across, and they're all bolted down to this rail system. And the rail system has 4 screws only to the roof. So I'm not sure if I need another support somewhere in the middle. But I don't have these brackets anymore. I've got only 8, which is exactly what I need for my 2 rail systems here. Unless we are finding some other mounting brackets here online which I can use, because these are not the right ones. Yeah, and then we've got these brackets here sitting in between the solar panels and pushing them down. So I've got enough of these ones. I don't know, this looks fairly flimsy here. I don't like that. If we had another bracket going to the other screw there, so I've got 2 mounting points then for one side, that would be ideal. But this is not the middle. More problems than I expected. So guys, I had a look online and I could find these brackets here for concrete tiles. That's exactly the one I had mounted on my rails already. But I don't want to buy these again because they are not the right brackets for mounting on a flat roof. So I had a look on eBay for solar mounts, and there are all kind of different brackets and clamps, whatever you need, but I couldn't quite find the right ones because... And then finally I found these L brackets here, which you can use to mount your solar panels on a flat roof. And they are exactly, well, not quite. Look at these nuts. See these little wings left and right here? They are on the same, they look totally different to what I need. So they wouldn't fit my profiles. So if you buy them, you need to be very careful what you actually buy. The bracket itself is fine, but the nut here doesn't fit my profile. So this is not the right one. Solar panel and rail clamp, 10 pieces. Yeah, they look all right, but see the nut again? It hasn't got this offset, what I need for my profile, so they don't fit either. But I think I've got them now. Solar Mart. Look at these, they've got exactly the same offset as mine. That's what I need. And they are only $3.55. And they've got these middle clamps as well in between the solar panels. And look at this nut. That's exactly what I need. So apparently this is Clenergy 25. Okay, I can select this size. I need 40 millimeters. But this is exactly what I need. They are only $3.15 as well. Okay, after doing some research now on eBay, I found the right clamps for my solar rail system. The nut needs to have this little offset on these wings, so otherwise it won't fit my profile. And I found the L bracket shaped mounting clamps, which you need to mount the rails on a flat roof. And I found these intermediate clamps as well, and the end clamps, and they're all coming from the same supplier not far away from here. So I have ordered everything now, and I ordered exactly the amount of clamps and brackets I need now for mounting the solar system. So this shouldn't take long to arrive here, and then we can finally start. Okay guys, so far this video here today from the off-grid garage. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I shall see you again in the next video very soon. Thanks for watching and see you. Bye bye.